Newton's second law of motion. First of all, we will talk about the momentum. Momentum of a body is defined as the product of its mass and velocity. P is equal to m into v. It is a vector quantity. The direction of momentum is in the direction of velocity. Its SI unit is kilogram meter per second. Newton's second law of motion states that the net external force acting on a body is directly proportional to the rate of change of its momentum. Its equation is given as: consider a body m initially moving with a velocity of u meter per second. When a force of F Newton is applied on it, its velocity becomes v meter per second after a time of t second. Then, according to Newton's second law, F is equal to mv minus mu divided by t. F is equal to ma, where a is acceleration produced in the body. Hence, the net external force acting on a body is equal to the product of its mass and acceleration produced in it.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.